Hey, so congrats on finishing your launch. What we're going to do is show you how to close that. So here's the website you'll go to, backoffice.myabam.com. Enter in your ID number and then your password. Hit login. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down to business sites and order pro will pop up. From there, you'll start a new order. Now your information will show already down here, so you don't have to do anything on this screen at all. Go to the next step. This is a nickname that you use, so you can just say my launch party. It's a home party. And then also what you want to do is there's going to be something down here that looks different from this. It'll say, do you have a future booking for double free? Would you like to redeem double free? Go ahead and click yes on that. I'm not new anymore, so it doesn't show for me. This allows you to redeem double free books if you've hit $250. So you do get rewards after $100, right? They start at $10 and free and up, but this will allow you to get, starting at $250 instead of $40 and free, $80 and free. All right, and then you're going to hit next step. And here's where you're going to do the magic. So you're going to import your event first. Now what this means is you are telling your e-commerce site, you know what, I don't need this to be open anymore. And so say you select this, all right, select. That would be your party, okay? In that, you are going to see down here, on this drop down, there'll be free host rewards. So you're going to go ahead and click that. And then when you do that, it'll reset. And on this side, whoops, I'm trying to pull my face over. Over here, it'll show you how much in free you have, okay? So, and that will depend on your party. So the way that I do this fastest is I show all, display binding, and contains. That way, when I just know like one word, then I put it in, all of those books show up, and then I'm not like going through all of the alphabet. Don't do that to yourself. Okay, then you'll want to go, your next move as a consultant will be to go to party bonus books. And why is that? After $100 in sales, you're actually going to have $50 worth of books that are 65% off. And it'll show that here. Okay, so if your party sales from the import event were $100 or more, you'll have $50 here, and that'll be 65% off. So you're going to go ahead and select all of the things that you want at 65% off. Now, I will warn you, you'll probably earn some commission from your launch. Most people do. So you'll want to make sure that, that wasn't a good choice, whatever. You want to make sure that you don't spend your whole commission. Now, if that's your whole point in life, please do spend your whole commission, but be careful. That will still charge you 65% of that. And then what you'll do is get your credit. So if you bought your kit and there was a book credit with it, if there was, go ahead and select the book credit, whatever it was. It's not going to show up on mine, but it's on yours. And then select those books from that category, okay? Then you can do your half price rewards. That's like the least, right? That's like the least beneficial, but isn't that funny? Like even 50% is, it's so great to be a consultant. So you're going to go through that. Then you're going to hit next step. And do not lose tears or time or sleep over this, okay? Just go to the following step. This will be how much you are due, okay? And if someone is lumping their order into yours, you can enter their payment here. Okay, so like say you have someone local or whatever who wanted to join in, and they're like, can I just pay via PayPal, and or can I just pay you via credit card and you get your books in? Get my books in with yours. Yes, with your credit card information, you can input it here. Okay, all the way down to CV code. You don't need the phone or check number. Add next payment. What that does is it reduces the amount that you pay as a consultant. Whatever is left up here, amount due from consultant, this line, that's what you pay here. Okay, so you'll enter in your own information there. Does it make sense? All right, then go to the next step. Next step. You hit review. It'll review it. It'll tell you, hey, it might tell you have some rewards that haven't been claimed, and you can go ahead and claim those or not. It's up to you. And then you'll hit submit. If you don't hit submit, it won't go in, okay? And that, my friend, is how you close your party. Congratulations.